guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box for October. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the manifestation box for October just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, with this box, basically what I'm doing now is unboxing this every other month, and I'm doing it in collaboration with Rena over at Boxes and Deals. She's gonna be unboxing the Mother Earth Wrap Club, and I'm gonna be unboxing the manifestation box. So you can hop back and forth from hers to mine, and you can see what both boxes would bring for this month. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to be in the October box. I love seeing what's going to be inside. I love everything about this box, what it represents and how it makes me feel. And plus, I always am wearing one of the bracelets or multiple bracelets. That's the great thing. You can wear it one, multiple, stack them, whatever you would like. And another thing that I always forget, Rena always mentions this and I always forget about it. She even will use the wrap as like a choker, like go around once or twice, I think around, or as a regular necklace. So you don't have to just wear them around your wrist. You can use them as a necklace, an anklet, that kind of thing as well with the wrap bracelets. So I wanted to remember this time to tell you that because she always says that and I always forget. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we will have for this month. So right on top, you always have a handwritten card from the owner, which I think that is amazing. Attention to detail. It's always handwritten. And you always have some kind of a sticker holding everything together. This time it's like this little cat witch, definitely like for the season. That is so cute. So once we cut the tape and we get inside, there's a sneak peek to inside of this box. So again, there's the two different subscriptions. I will be showing you one, Rena will be showing you the other. And then they also sell all types of individual items on their website. They even have some mystery boxes now. The advent calendar should be coming out, if not already available. So definitely if you want to check them out, you can purchase everything individual as well. And you can use my code SheCrafty to save you 20% off, or you can use Rena's code, whichever one. It doesn't do anything for us, it saves you guys, and we love that. So definitely you can use either code, you can follow them, see what they have to offer. You can check them out. They will be in the description box to take you to their site. So with the manifestation box, you always do get what we're working with for the month, which that will be this one right here. It says Embracing Ancestral Wisdom. And so you have this whole paper here that you can sit down and read, and this would be what we're working with for the month. Then you also tell them what sign you are, because then you actually get your own zodiac sign. I am a Scorpio, so this will be for Scorpio. It just says October 2024 astrology forecast. It doesn't say Scorpio. I'm going to assume because she's never had it wrong so far. So this would be for me to sit down and read to know about my own astrology for this month. And I love that. This box is literally tailored for you. Again, you tell them your zodiac sign, you tell them the wrist size and the length size of the necklace, and it's tailored just for you. You also get 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can gift them both, keep them both, do whatever you like, but you do get 2 of them. When you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. That's what the storm is all about. Yeah, there you go, because you always have to learn and you've got to take from it. So you never come out the same as you come in. Always a learning experience with everything. So there's that. There's also some paperwork in here to show you some of their other amazing jewelry. Again, on their website, they sell the individual bracelets, the wraps, individual crystals, keychains, anklets. There's so many different amazing pieces. I've bought stuff for people for gifts. I've bought an amethyst wrap for my mom for Mother's Day last year. I just really, really love her jewelry and everything about it. So there's that. So now with that, you get, again, all of that stuff. And then you have the necklace for the month. They come in their box right here. You could always keep them inside of here. And if it's something that just isn't for you, you can always gift it and it's already gift ready. So down inside, we have this month is copper. So you always get these cards for the crystal, or if there's anything hanging on the side, like an anchor or a mermaid or a starfish, anything like that, there'll be a card on that as well to tell you what that represents. So, ooh, this is super pretty. I'm not normally a coppery person, but this to me looks more of like a rose gold. It is really, really pretty though. That is a really pretty color. So copper, as you adorn the Confident Radiance necklace, feel the grounding energy of copper enveloping you. Known for its conductivity, copper is believed to amplify positive energies and dispel negative forces, fostering a sense of balance and versatility. That is so, so pretty though. Again, it reminds me more of a rose gold than an actual copper, because I'm normally not a coppery person whatsoever. I just don't care for those colors, but this is really, really pretty. That's not something that I personally would wear. So this is something that I'm going to put in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. I love the way that it looks. Just, I normally don't change my necklace out much, and I wouldn't really wear that type of color because it's not for me, but it will be for one of you guys. And I love that. It is just so pretty. I love all the colors inside, like the copper that's inside of it. That is just really, really pretty. And to me, it looks like more of a rose gold. So that is so cool. So there is the copper. And then down inside of this bag, you will have the bracelet, and then you will have the healing crystal for the month as well. And, oh, okay. Oh, so now this one says rose hematite. So maybe this one is supposed to be like more like a rose gold color. So, and it would definitely match with that copper. So this is the bracelet for this month. It looks like copper to me, but it's rose hematite. Hematite, is that how you say it? That's what it looks like. So for this one, it says that it is a powerful stone that may help with shyness, self-esteem, and survival, as well as increasing willpower and dependability and instilling confidence. Hematite is loaded with benefits that leave you feeling balanced and harmonious. It heals its user of its doubt and feelings of worthlessness, and it offers a constant feeling of balance. That is really neat. So those definitely would go hand in hand, the necklace and the bracelet this month. So let me show you them together so you can see the colors. This is a little heavy too with the material, but see, wouldn't that be a perfect match? I think I'm actually going to gift both of these together to one of you guys. Now, this is custom made for my big wrist, and it is a little bit big even on me. So if you do get it and it's too big, you could always make it smaller somehow. Because again, it is even bigger than my other one. It's like hanging down. So it's even big on me. So here is the rose hematite bracelet. And then the crystal for this month. Oh my gosh, I love when we get the little hearts. I collect all different sizes of the hearts. So this is an agate. Agate is the stone everyone should have for protection. Agate is believed to enhance intelligence and make its wearer more articulate. It attracts strength, protects from bad dreams, stress, and energy drains. That's an amazing one. And I love those colors. And this actually kind of even matches with like the browns in there with all of these other colors. So like everything here matches this month. I love it. Sometimes it doesn't, but this one here does to a T, and I love that. I'm definitely going to keep this little heart because again, I collect those, but this bracelet, I'm going to put back down inside of this bag. And I'm going to put these two together and put into another giveaway, or maybe I'll stick this in my advent calendar that I'm going to be doing for you guys once I can get that filled up, probably next month. But yeah, I'm going to put this in some kind of a future giveaway for you guys because I want somebody out there to enjoy it. So you can keep it or you can gift it, but I will gift that to one of you guys. I love it. So that is now everything for the manifestation box for October. You can go ahead and pop on over to Rena's video. I will have her channel and her video linked in the description box, so you can go take a look at hers and see what she got for the wrap bracelet. I love the wrap bracelets. They're super, super sparkly. Normally they're really, really sparkly and dainty, and they're just so beautiful. So you can pop on over and see what kind of crystal she got in her wrap bracelet. So again, for a quick recap for this month, you have your bracelet, which I'm going to give to you guys with this necklace. You have the healing crystal, which I love. You have the 2 meditation cards, what we're working with, and your astrology. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the October 2024 manifestation box. What did you think? What do you think of the bracelet? What do you think of the necklace? What do you think of the healing crystal? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you would like a little bit more information about this company as far as the pricing and stuff goes, I will let you know right about now. Now for this and the wrap bracelet, they're both the same prices. I just explained everything that you get in the manifestation box. So the Mother Earth Wrap Club, all you basically get is the wrap bracelet, and you get one little gift in there. I love that because you get a little surprise in there. You don't get like the necklace and the healing crystal and the astrology and all of that. That's just for the manifestation box. So the Mother Earth wrap is mainly for that wrap bracelet, and then you get the one gift as well. But again, you can always use my code SheCrafty to get that 20% off your first subscription box or any other individual items they have on their website. So if you want to check them out, they will be in the description box along with Rena's, so you can check out hers, so then you know which one you'd want if you wanted to order. All right, so for the pricing, again, they're both the same for both boxes. So if you want to do month per month, just box per box, that one there would be $39 per month. If you want to save money and go to a 3-month subscription, it brings it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring that box price down to $33. That's amazing. She also does donate, which is awesome because I've been shopping with them, the subscription or the individual items. They're also donating a portion of their proceeds. So with shopping with them, we're all helping each other, and I absolutely love that. So now that is everything that I have to say. Did you go check out Rena's? Or are you going to now? Come back and let me know, which one did you like better, the wrap bracelet or the manifestation box? Let me know. I would love to know what you thought was the better option for yourself. So that is now, again, everything that I have for this video. Everything will be in the description box for you to go to their website or to Rena's video or to Rena's channel. If you would like to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, and it's all there for you, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.